In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your FreshBooks plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for so your upgrade is smooth and immediate. First, open FreshBooks and sign into your account. Use a modern browser for the best experience, and make sure you're logging into the business you want to upgrade. Once you're on the dashboard, you're in the right place to start. Next, look to the upper area of your home screen for your account icon. This is typically your profile avatar or your company name in the top right corner. Click it to open the account menu. From here, you'll see a set of options related to your profile and settings. Choose Billing and Upgrade. This section is where FreshBooks centralizes your subscription details, invoices, payment methods, and available plans. If you don't see Billing and Upgrade, you may not have the right permissions. In that case, check with the account owner or an admin on your team. On the Upgrade page, decide whether you prefer a yearly or a monthly plan. Annual billing usually offers a lower effective monthly rate, which is great if you're confident in the plan you want for the year. Monthly billing provides more flexibility if you're still evaluating what you need. Take a moment to review the plan options so they match your current workflow, like the number of clients you manage, the features you rely on, and whether you plan to add team members soon. When you've found the plan that fits, click the Choose Plan button. This confirms your selection and takes you to the checkout flow, where you can finalize the details before paying. Click Review and Pay to move to the payment screen. Enter your credit card information and any required billing details. Make sure your billing address matches what your card issuer has on file to avoid declines. Here you can also review taxes, any prorated amounts if you're switching mid-cycle, and your total charge. Double-check everything so there are no surprises. Finally, click Update to complete your upgrade. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation on screen, and your account will reflect the new plan right away. You'll typically receive a receipt at the email associated with your account, and you can revisit billing and upgrade anytime to view invoices or adjust your plan later. For security, always complete payments on a trusted network. That's it. You've upgraded your FreshBooks plan quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.